everyone, it's Missy. Thank you for watching. Today I'm excited to be sharing this holiday hairstyle with you, so be sure to subscribe it down below, and if you want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep watching. For this hairstyle, I want this to have a natural texture and PC definition, so I'm going to start by spraying it with the texture tonic. This helps add grip to fine silky hair, and I love it because it creates a soft texture instead of being crunchy or stiff. Then I'm going to divide out a section of hair from the part down to the ear on both the left and the right side of my head. Then with the rest of my hair, I'm going to tie it together with a hairband at the nape of my neck, but on the last wrap, I'm only going to pull the hair halfway through to create a loop. Then I'm going to take the hair left sticking out and wrap this over the bun, pinning it on the right side. Then with the leftover hair, I'm going to wrap this over the bun towards the left and pin it on the left side. Now I'm going to take the hair on the right side, spray it with the air control hairspray to give the style a light, flexible hold. Then I'm going to twist it together before pulling on the bottom to make it fuller. Then I'm just going to lay it over the bun and pin it on the left side. Then I'm going to twist the ends together, pull on the edges, and lay it over the bun again, pinning it on the right side. Now I'm going to take the hair on the left side, spritz it with some more hairspray to smooth down flyaways, twist it together and pull on the edges. Then I'm going to lay it over the bun and tuck the ends underneath the twist from the right side. Then I'm just going to pin it in place on the right side of the bun. Then I'm just going to take any ends left sticking out and pin them underneath the bun. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you love Aveda products as much as I do, be sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of Aveda's beauty tips, tricks, and products, and I will see you next time.